In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a video course on StanStore. First, log into your StanStore account. On the left-hand side, look for the option that says My Store and click it. This will open your store dashboard, where you'll see your store header and a list of any existing products. To start adding your course, click Add Product. A menu of product types will appear. From these options, choose e-course, since we're creating a video course. You'll now be taken into the product editor. On the right, you'll see a live preview of how your course will look, and in the center, you'll see all the settings you can customize. Let's start with the thumbnail. First, choose a thumbnail style, button, callout, or preview. Pick the one that best fits your branding. Then click Choose Image. You can either select an image from within StanStore or upload your own image from your computer. Next, add your video course title. Right under that, type a short course subtitle that clearly explains what students will learn or get from the course, ideally in one concise sentence. Finally, customize the button text. For example, enroll here, and then click Next. Now you're on the checkout page settings. Once again, you can add an image the same way. Click Choose Image, and either use one from StanStore or upload your own. In the description field, write a clear, compelling description of your video course. This area supports rich text, so you can format your text, embed images or videos, and even add links if needed. Scroll down to edit the bottom title and the call to action button text to keep everything consistent with your offer. Next, set your price. You can choose between a one-time payment or a subscription. For a one-time payment, simply enter your price. If you want to show a discount, toggle on the discount option and add the discounted price. For a subscription, set the base price. Then use the recurring dropdown to choose how often customers are charged: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also choose to automatically cancel the subscription after a set period, from no limit up to 24 months. Below that, you can adjust the information you collect from customers. Name and email are always required and cannot be removed. If you need more details, click Add Field and choose from options like phone, text fields, multiple choice, drop-downs, or checkboxes. When you're happy with this section, click Next. Now let's set up the actual course content. Under the course section, find Course Homepage and click Edit Page. Here, you can upload a header image, edit the course title and description shown to enrolled students, and customize your branding by choosing a font, background color, and highlight color. When you're done, click Save. You'll see that StanStore has already created 3 modules for you. If you don't need one, click the 3 vertical dots on the right side of that module and choose Delete, then confirm in the pop-up. Each module contains lessons. You can click on a module card to expand or collapse it. To edit a lesson, click on the lesson title to open the course builder. Click Select Video, then choose the appropriate video file from your computer and click Open or press Enter. After it uploads, update the lesson title so it clearly reflects what the lesson covers. In the description area below, outline what learners will gain from that lesson, such as key takeaways or outcomes. You can also upload any supporting materials that help students complete the module, like PDFs, slides, or worksheets. When you're finished with that lesson, click Publish. If you're taken back to the thumbnail section of the editor, don't worry. Just click on the Course tab again to continue editing your remaining modules and lessons. Work through each one, adding videos, descriptions, and resources, and publishing as you go. When all modules and lessons are ready, scroll to the bottom right under the Course tab and click Publish again to finalize the entire course setup. To wrap up the process, click Publish one last time for the product as a whole. Wait for the page to reload. You should see a confirmation pop up at the top of the screen. That means your video course is now live and ready to sell on your StanStore.